Kapil sold 2 bikes for rupees 50,000 each. On one he gains 14% and on the other he loses 14%. Find his gain or loss percent in his whole transaction. Problem number 14. Kapil sold 2 bikes for rupees 50,000 each. On one he gains 14% and on the other he loses 14%. Find his gain or loss percent in the whole transaction. See here that this 50,000 is the selling price, not cost price. If it is a cost price, always you have to remember, if it is a cost price and 14% profit and the 14% loss if they are getting, at the end of the day they are going to get no gain or no loss. Okay, they are going to get no gain and no loss. Okay, when the cost price is 50,000 or the cost price amount they are going to give and the profit percentage and the loss percentage are equal. If that is the case, then you are going to get no profit and no loss. Okay, so when they are going to give the cost price, but here they have mentioned the selling price. Selling price they have mentioned and they are telling profit is equal to 14%, loss is equal to 14%, and they have given selling price, not cost price. Again I am telling you people, if they give cost price and the profit percentage and loss percentage both are equal, at that time you are going to end up with no gain, no loss, 0% loss, 0% profit. You will be in the break even stage. But they have mentioned selling price and you are getting profit percentage and loss percentage are equal. In this situation, always you are going to end up with loss. Okay, you are going to end up with loss. Okay, you are going to end up with loss. So how much percentage loss? Very easy to calculate. Okay, so the loss percentage is equal to the percentage amount what they have given whole square divided by 100. The percentage, the common percentage amount what they have given whole square divided by 100, that is 14 square by 100, so which is equal to 196 by 100, so which is equal to 1.96% loss. Always you are going to end up with loss. So how much percentage loss? So this is the formula, important formula, it's a mandatory thing. Loss percentage is equal to percentage square by 100, that is equal to 14 square by 100, 196 by 100. If you simplify that, you are going to get 1.96% loss. Option A is the right answer. Okay, so don't get panic. Okay, directly you implement the formula, but before implementing the formula you have to be very careful that whether they have given the cost price or selling price, you have to get confirmed. After that only you have to implement the formula. If they are going to give you the selling price and the loss percentage and the profit percentage are equal, then you apply this formula. Otherwise you are going to end up with no loss and no gain condition. Let's go to the next problem, problem number 15. A man sells 2 articles 2,400 each. Again they have given selling price. He gained 20% on the first and lost 20% on the second. Find his overall profit or loss percentage in the transaction. See here, have they given cost price? No, they have given selling price. Selling price is rupees 2,400. Selling price is rupees 2,400. Next, you have to calculate the profit percentage or loss percentage. In this condition, you are going to get loss in the whole transaction. So loss percentage is equal to the percentage what they have given, the common percentage, whole square divided by 100. Here the selling price doesn't matters, the percentage what they have given, it matters. Okay, so percentage square, that is 20 square by 100, so which is equal to 400 by 100, so you are going to end up with 4% loss. You are going to end up with 4% loss. Option A is the right answer. Very simple problem. Okay, so this problem was also appeared in your clerical exam as well as in the PO level exam. Okay, so you have to be very careful while attending these type of problems. You have to be very careful while implementing the formula. Okay, fine. Let's go to the next problem, problem number 16. Problem number 16. If the cost price of 12 articles be equal to the selling price of 10 articles, then find his profit percentage in the whole transaction. See, till now the problem variety what we have solved was number of units were same. One unit, one bike they have purchased, one chair they have sold, one bike they have sold. So these type of questions they used to ask, and the cost price and the selling price were different. But what they are telling here, cost price of 12 articles is equal to selling price of 10 articles. So the number of units what they are selling is different. See here, cost price of 12 articles is equal to selling price of 10 articles. Here 10 articles and 12 articles, the units are different, and see here they have given selling price and they have given cost price. These two are also different. If they are going to give you the selling price, then it is very easy to calculate, directly you can calculate. The further problems you are going to get those type of varieties, there we are going to discuss. Okay, if they are going to give you the cost price in both the case, yes, definitely it is very easy for you to solve, but they have given cost price of 12 articles is equal to selling price of 10 articles. The number of units of articles are different, and the cost price and selling price are also different. In these type of situations, directly I will tell you the shortcut. Okay, no need to go for the concept level. Okay, if you are going to calculate the conceptually, means you have to calculate per unit price. Okay, after calculation per unit price, the problem is going to become complicated. Okay, so directly you go to shortcut. Okay, so if this type of case you are going to get, then you interchange the value. Okay, means selling price of 10 articles is equal to cost price, that is 10. Okay, this is very important. Selling price of 10 articles is equal to cost price, that is 10. Next, cost price of 10 articles, cost price of 10 articles is equal to selling price, that is 12. Okay, cost price of 10 articles is equal to selling price, that is 12. Now you calculate the profit percentage. Now you got the cost price, you got the selling price. So profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. So which is equal to 12 minus 10, which is equal to 2. So how much you are going to get the profit percentage? So 2 by cost price is 10, so 2 by 10, which is equal to 20%. So 20% profit you got in this transaction. Very simple, you interchange the values. When you have to interchange, when they are going to mention the number of units which are different. Okay, different number of units they are going to mention, and you are going to get cost price and selling price which both are different. In those type of cases, you interchange the values. Here selling price of 10 articles is equal to cost price, which is equal to 10. Cost price of 10 articles is equal to selling price, which is equal to 12. So profit is equal to 2. So 2 by 10, which is equal to 20%. So 20% profit you got in this transaction. Very simple. Orally you can solve. Okay. So let's go to the next variety, problem number 17. If the cost price of 15 articles be equal to the selling price of 20 articles, then find the loss percent in the transaction. See here they are incurring loss. Very similar to the previous problem. See here, CP of 15 articles is equal to SP of 20 articles. You interchange both the two. Therefore, CP of 15 is equal to selling price, which is 15. Next, SP of 20 articles is equal to CP, that is 20. So now you got the cost price and you got the selling price. Okay, so see here, what is the loss you got? Loss is equal to 20 minus 15, which is equal to 5. Then what is the loss percentage? That is 5 divided by cost price, that is 20. So which is equal to 5 ones are 5 fours are. So 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means 25% loss you are going to get. 25% loss you are going to get. So option C is the right answer. Option C is the right answer. You can do this problem in the ratio method also. See here, cost price of 15 is equal to selling price of 20, means cost price into 15 is equal to selling price into 20. Therefore, cost price is going to come to the bottom. You have to calculate the ratio selling price by cost price, and 20 is going to the bottom under 15. So, selling price by cost price is equal to how much you are going to get? 15 by 20. 15 by 20. So, selling price 15, cost price 20. Cost price 20. In the first methodology also we got the same answer, we interchanged. In the second methodology also we got the same answer, but we took the ratio. Whichever method is feasible for you people, you take. See here, while taking ratio it takes bit time, max to max 3 to 4 seconds, but while interchanging, orally you can interchange, by noticing itself you can easily interchange. Okay, so the loss percentage is 25%. Option C is the right answer for the problem number 17. Okay, let's go to the next problem, problem number 18. Find the single discount equivalent to two successive discounts of 5% and 20%. See here, you take some amount as 100. Okay, so 100 rupees is the amount. So, initially how much discount you are giving? You are giving 5% discount. So, 5% means 5. So, how much you lost? 5 you lost, you are going to end up with 95. For this you are giving 20% discount. 10% means 9.5, 20% means 19. So, you subtract. So, how much you are going to get? 6, and next 8 minus 1, 7. So, you got 76. Initially you had 100, now you got 76. So, how much it is less? 24. So, it is reduced by 24, means it is equal to 24%. It is equal to 24%. Okay. So, 24% it is reducing. So, very simple, 100, because 24%. Percent is nothing but per 100. So, 24 per 100 it is reducing. So, two successive discounts 5% and 20% is equal to a single discount of 24%. Single discount of 24%. You can go with the modified formula what we have implemented in the compound interest also. That is A plus B plus AB whole divided by 100. A means 5%, you are giving a discount, means minus 5, B minus 20, next plus of minus 5 into minus 20 divided by 100. So, minus 5 minus 20 minus 25 plus minus 5 into minus 20 plus 100 by 100. So, you are going to end up with minus 25 plus 1, which is equal to minus 24. So, the minus indicates loss, it is reducing. So, 24% loss, that is option B is the right answer. So, whichever methodology is feasible for you people, you follow that one. The first one, conceptually we are coming, 100 we took, 5% we reduced, 95 we got, for that 20% we reduced, ultimately we are end up with 76. So, 24 is reduced. Otherwise, you can use the modified formula A plus B plus AB by 100. If you use that, you are going to end up with minus 24. The minus indicates loss. Okay. So, 24% it is reduced. Option B is the right answer. Okay. Let us go to the next problem. Problem number 19. An article is marked at rupees 4,500 and the shopkeeper allows 3 successive discounts of 20%, 10% and 10%. Find the selling price. 4,500 is the marked price. For that they are allowing 20% off. 10% means 450, 20% means 900. 20% means 900. 20% is 900. So, if you subtract, you are going to end up with 3,600. You are going to end up with 3,600. For this 3,600, again you give 10% discount. Okay. So, the 10% discount you are going to end up with 360. Okay. So, after subtraction how much you are going to get? 10 minus 6 4, 5 minus 3 2 and 3. So, 3,240 you are going to get. Okay, so now you have given 2 successive discounts. After that again you have to give discount, that is 10%. So 10% means 324. You subtract 10 minus 4, 6 you are going to get. So remainder is 3, 3 minus 2, 1, next 1 carry over, 12 minus 3, 9 and 2. So you are going to end up with 2916. So option A is the right answer for this problem, option A. So 2916 is the answer. Problem number 19, very simple, 3 successive discounts. First 20% you are subtracting 900, next 10% you are subtracting 360 and next 10% you are subtracting 324. At the end of the day you got 2916. So option A is the right answer. Okay, let's go to the next problem. Problem number 20. The selling price of 10 oranges is the cost price of 13 oranges. Then the profit percentage. So very similar problem. So these type of problems already we have solved. If you get these type of problems, what you have to do? You have to interchange the values. Okay, so selling price of 10 oranges, then cost price is equal to 10. Already I have told you how to solve in the previous problems. Okay, so cost price is equal to 10, selling price is equal to 13. Selling price is equal to 13. Okay, so profit is 3, then profit percentage 3 by 10, 30% the profit what you are going to get. So option A is the right answer. Otherwise you can use the ratio method also. Okay, so 10 SP is equal to 13 CP. So SP by CP is equal to 13 by 10. So SP you got 13, CP you got 10. So the same value what we got if we interchange. So you directly interchange and you calculate, you got profit percentage as 30%, very simple to calculate. Okay, so fine, let's go to the next problem. And before going to the next problem, I have to clear one thing. These varieties are mentioned in your study materials in our website. Okay, so you please solve these varieties, and in the study material we have indicated or we have included the problems which may come for your exam. Okay, the level of difficulty is very much similar to the PO level, SO level and clerical level. All the varieties we have included in our study material, and please take subject wise mock test so that you are going to become perfect in these type of problems. Okay, let's go to the next problem, problem number 21.